Hey guys, this is HP Deskjet 2710. I'm going to show you how to remove the ink cartridges. This video tutorial is applicable to HP Deskjet 2600, 2700, 2800. What you need to do is you need to switch the printer on from this button. This is LCD screen. This button is for you to cancel. This button is resume. This button is Wi-Fi network button is information button. This button is for you to copy color, and this button is for you to copy black. If you want to remove or replace the ink, what you need to do is you need to open up this cover, switch the printer on, then open up this chamber. The ink cartridges holder will move and position itself to the center. If you want to remove the ink, you need to put one finger on top, then push it down, one finger on top of the ink, then push it down to remove it. So this is how to remove the ink. If you want to put it back in, then you need to go in straight, then push it upwards. Go in straight, push it upwards. If you want to remove it, just put your finger on top, then push it down. Put your finger on top of the ink, push it down to remove. Go in straight, then push it up or pull it up. Go in, pull it up. So this is how to replace or remove the ink. Then after you're done, then you close it. So this is how to replace or remove the ink. And if you look on the gauge, it will show you that the ink cartridges are full up. There are two lines here to show you the ink level. So a light usually show here to show you that the ink is running out, as the case may be. So this is how to replace the ink cartridges or remove the ink cartridges from HP Deskjet 2700 or 2800 or 2600 printers. Thank you very much indeed.